A rescue mission is underway after a 7-story building collapsed in Kahawa West, Nairobi on Sunday morning. Now authorities are searching for a woman and her child who are still unaccounted for following the tragic incident. As our reporter Vera Mora details, the collapse of the Kahawa West building has sparked questions about Nairobi's construction standards and approval processes, as the building had been occupied for less than a month before the disaster.
Sunday morning, as the rest of the country marked Mashujaa Day, residents of Kahawa West were counting losses as a 7-story building in their neighborhood along Station Road caved in. The building, declared unfit for occupancy just a week earlier, had shown visible cracks that led to the warnings from local officials. Yet, some residents hoping to salvage their belongings returned to the building on Sunday morning. Unfortunately, disaster struck during their return. One resident witnessed the building collapse at around 11 a.m.
Walikuwa wamepewa warning. Kanjo ilikuwa imeandika vacate as from 2 weeks before. So wale walimanage kuvacate ni karibu the reporter hao wote. Lakini wenye prefer vacate leo ndio wameadhirika. Lakini kuna mzee mmoja ni bubu. Sasa hakuwa anatoa sauti, lakini tulimtoa ndani.
An eyewitness revealed to the media that he had previously alerted authorities of the building's state, but was threatened by a lady believed to be the owner.
Aliniambia amenispot na amejua ni mimi nimeleta watu wa Kajo. Na akaniambia I have to face his lawyers kwa court. Sasa hii nyumba imeboromoka.
Kahawa West member of County Assembly Clement Kamaru confirmed that the building had been earmarked for demolition after numerous warnings.
Tunangoja ile timu imalize kazi yake, alafu kishamaliza kazi yake tuweze kuwa na audit ya ile jambo vile likuja, tuweze kukaa chini tujue going forward what we will do, because directives zimetoka kutoka kule county kwamba nyumba zote katika hii area ya Roysambu lazima zifanye fresh audit.
Authorities have deployed a multi-agency response team, including the Kenya Defence Forces, Police, Red Cross, and Nairobi County rescue teams, to continue searching for anyone trapped under the rubble. Up to the time of filing this report, the owner of the Kahawa building on plot number 233 was unidentifiable to the authorities. However, the deputy governor has expressed deep concern over the situation, saying the authorities will crack a whip on anyone found capable of issuing fake certificates if found guilty.
Kwanza tushughulikie watu ambao wameathirika na hii kitu. Ndio tukimaliza hiyo tuingie kujua ni nini kilikosekana, ni nini ilifanyika. In the next week or so tutajua hiyo mmiliki yako wapi, tutajua alifanya nini, tutaangalia vieti vya county government ama za national construction, mtu yote ambaye alihusika katika ujenzi.
But this is not new after several cases of buildings under construction and others occupied caving in around the country in the faces of the authorities. In Kahawa West, rescue efforts continue as teams work around the clock to account for all the residents. Vera Mora, KTN News, Nairobi.
Another break still to come. Efforts to mitigate famine by increasing